one crazes. Not Dagaji. What's the name then, DJ? Teacher Stella, you know my mouth and my tongue. Morning. Somebody, anybody? Hello? All right, thanks for checking in, sense. No, the man don't get scared. Lead my new friend. He did not get scared. If he had scared, he wouldn't come on my live in the first place. Don't be hating, okay? Remember artist segment, you know. If you were just type, he's not an artist. You need to go and find your talent and go and expand yourself, okay? Whatever man name, I'm a new friend. R.I.P. Queen
Hi.
Elizabeth. Morning.
Good morning. I didn't expect you to accept me in the live. You got me off guard.
You know me not hear what you say, baby.
Oh, I said you caught me off guard. I didn't expect you to accept me on the live.
Okay. Still not hear what you say. What happened?
I'm good. How are you? I'm just showing some love from Canada.
Oh, Maple Leaf Canada over there get cold now, don't?
It is. It's getting very, very cold. It's getting there. We get pretty bad cold, but I guess because of the fact that the Queen passed away, I think it's going to be a day off for us. That's coming up.
All right, baby. Blessed love and thanks for checking into the Queen's Live. Queen
Take
Power.
care. Bye.
Queen Power.
Bye.
Blessed love. Bye.
Bye.
Nice. Canada check in. Lord, my life get lively. Ah! Ah! Wah! Ah! Cock up your foot, Queenie. Me see the life get rude and excited a while ago. Digga G, Dagga G, whatever it is, my G, you are my G, and it's Queenie G. I may have a couple OGs with me, this P and B. London girl, there's T in me. 5 kids only for season me. People look and believe in me. I have to turn up on my frequency. Stop with all the indecency. True, everything turned mad recently. I'm glad after Expo 50 year old still there. Road still full of chat. Now take it back. I'm glad after Expo 50 year old still there. Road still full of chat. Now take it back. Fat pussy girl still forget top. Saying with something 10 goal. Oh, you mean, but too old, wickedest speed from 10 years. Boom, clad. Dagga G, the dopes. Oh, Queenie got a new singer. Queenie got a new artist. Queenie have a new artist in do drilling. Drilling in the United. Drilling in the United. Drilling. Me and him, I got drill a song for him. Me, I got sing a song with him. Me, I got sing a song with him. Me, I got sing a song with him. Me Bubba Clat collect student in the man there. Pussy Clot. Pick up yourself, madam. Bless up. All right. Remember, it's free flow morning devotion. If you be rude and horrible, I'm going to block you. Okay? Yesterday, amnesty. Yesterday, I have amnesty. Don't trouble Queenie. And in the same breath, the Queen passed away. Queen Elizabeth II. So, we're all giving our condolence to the Queen. Because you know she turned up strong in our nation 96. Fucking hell. And when me at 93, I go, I'm going to live long. And Sikaram and Nicki Minaj. And Sikaram and Nicki Minaj. Yes. Sikaram, Nicki Minaj. What fuck like Nicki Minaj? I'm going to give me her clothes. I'm waiting on your pink clothes, you know, Nikki. I feel like I send that clothes, I send one different one. You understand me, Nikki? Get it, Nikki, get it, Nikki, get it, Nikki. Hey! I mean, that girl, Nikki, nice girl. What else about Nikki? That's her for me. Lord. Hey, I'm telling them, I go get Grammy, you know, and I think I joke. It's hard work, pay off. One cocoa full basket. You understand? Every little help. And every day my thing is establishing more and more, and there's more super celebrities, more higher levels of life. Nikki here, her name, Caan, she just went live. Oh, she up on her live. Yes, man. Yeah, Nikki, I'm a new cheerleader. Yeah. She said, what she said, probably. All who don't have Nikki write them name and I type them name is P-A-T. One queen. Yeah, all-purpose queen, worldwide queen. Me's just the queen of all queens. You understand me? Representing us. And Nikki, come give me my little buzz. Say, good pussy queenie. Good. One man to be good, eh? Me not change for no dirty blood clot. You know, go here and leave me alone. I am myself. I'm me alone in the dark house. I'm me alone in this pussy clot. I'm me alone. I have to build myself. Yes, I do. Who can remember who made put it at the rubbish pad? Me they run down the rubbish bomber clot from the body when they trouble me. I was alright. I'm gonna put it on the rubbish pad. Whoa, I know what trouble me. I'm not going at it. Oh, the garbage. Them life mix up like Paris. Them expire, give them to garbage. Ah, woo. Get out of morning into the rubbish pan on a guard. Gonna be naughty. You lot don't have any behavior. You lot don't want to be yam head. You lot don't want to stand up for your partner, your husband. So, you know the rubbish. Ah. Look, see that? Pussy claw, look. Oh. You lot shouldn't have been naughty. I would not put you in there. Hey. Look again, the other set. Ha. Yuck. Oh. This is just some teeth and brush and some mouth smell like. In the garbage truck. You don't have any baby? Them expire, give them to garbage. Instead of doing song, I'm going to say, that girl can't style me. Style who? Them expire, give them to garbage. One man to me goodie. That's how do it. All I girls just want the man money. Use them. Want in a competition with other girls for the man them. And I know the use of the man them. Rubbish bin. One man to me goodie. That's how do it. Make a girl step to me. Me nice, see? Me really nice. What is about me not taking out my makeup until it pull up? Make a girl step to me. If she bad, she must say, well, end up in a body bag. Me not trouble, not a body. I'm in a walk with my goodie for my forehead. Girl, I run down my husband clear. And when you check it, she wear dirty baggy. Them life mix up like porridge. Them expire, give them to garbage. No girl can style me. Style who after me no but you darling. Sakara, I love you. Anyways, try to stand up, sit down. If you eat your breakfast, the queen love you. I respect you, I appreciate you. I honor you. I am so happy that you came and find me. Sweet like chocolate, dog. Sweet like chocolate. Dum, da, da, dum, da, da, dum, dum, Riverton on a gun. You see that? Morning.
Queenie, morning, lady power.
Lady power. Say yes, God will bless. How are you?
Fine, thank you, my girl. Big up your damn self. You know, say a long time I didn't want to come pay life, come talk to you about something though.
I lie.
For true, man, for true. Because we are all lady I want big up
Miss
in our said
Fabulous.
way.
Yeah, go on
Yeah,
then.
because me didn't want to talk to you although me say you and do it come back together, give thanks said way. But me tell you this girl, keep your head high up and proud because you are so brilliant. You know what you have done? Do you know what you have done?
No.
To all of these idiot, foreign gal we are come to Jamaica take up all of them coffee. We are give them life and all of them money and everything. You're the good woman, you're the best woman of all. You
Thank
prove
you.
them wrong. Because the matter we do, him have to come back and wish for a beginning. And
Thank you.
you set do it. You set him.
Amen.
Remember me tell you, God set you and you set do it.
Oh,
Do
you
we
mean?
can style himself.
Amen. And
Because
no
the
one is
end,
perfect. Thank you. See me
no one
here.
is perfect, my friend, but he can
Positive.
style himself. And
Amen.
nobody
True.
can style himself because your lifestyle are show for them one can't show because the things that we are showing are for them lifestyle. God Almighty man, the world not to see it.
Amen.
Feel proud of yourself and never hold on your head. Keep it up, see me. Hold up your head, continue
I
to do the good
appreciate
work.
that.
Continue to do the good work, my girl. Keep yourself beautiful. No wash off your makeup. Keep it up. See me. Enough girl can't wait till the morning. A
It don't
bad
pull
mind
up,
them,
so
bad
you know why
mind.
them want me pull up my makeup.
Bad mind them, bad mind. Me say bad mind them, bad mind. Them I like to see when you have nothing Queenie. Them I like to see you live no life. Them I like them want to see you ball and stress out. But continue do it because you're the woman who you is. No for them can't be you. They will never be you. It's only one queen and a lady gangster and lady Queenie.
Thank you,
Nobody else.
darling.
Nobody
What's
else.
in our deck? Blessed love. Yeah, where you calling from?
I'm calling from Jamaica, man. My sister called the other day. Queenie, me a friend long time, and all over. See me sick around my port more. Me and meet up and everything, man. I three remember. And when she have on her makeup for 3 days, she still look good. Because no found her face can't wear makeup for 3 days. As when you get up in the morning, the makeup, them rub off and she, the girl makeup sit down and she still look good. Leave her on a too bad mind. On a
Friend.
too bad mind, on a mind bad and corrupt, and you can't live like Queenie. You know, madness, that
Good.
Queenie life. A Queenie life make no fun of life happy. Queenie
Good.
life make no fun of life have look a dry night because you have no own life and a Queenie life make no alright. I'm sad
Yeah,
for you, I'm sad for the whole of you.
3 day makeup disgusting like under your pussy tongue. When you're
No,
underneath the wash, I saw the makeup disgusting and I'm too enough for loving our people life. Go with the hungry belly self. And
yes,
tell God,
Queenie,
pick up
yes,
yourself.
tell
I'm
them.
gonna
Take care
start
of
some blood
yourself,
clot people
continue.
now. Later, baby.
Class them, me no wrong you. Class them, lady power, class them.
Big up yourself. Do we supposed to style blood clots because he married to me? Him for style me. No, dirty blood clot can't style me. No, I think I'm a desperate. Before so I make him use me for fucking ever. Before no blood clot use me because him give me my wish, my honor. So I will always be a yammed for him and stand firm for him and stand up for him. And when him can't fight for him fucking self, I fight for him. Because I dep on the land long enough to fight for my husband. Fuck off and leave me and my husband alone. Make him play a blood clot. Me let's play, Dewey. Dewey. Why do you want to play me though, baby? I'm so nice, you know, Dewey. Dewey, baby, you married to me though. Remember yesterday make 8 years to get the pussy. 2 years to 8. Yeah, Dewey. Remember that though. Remember I was in my element saying I didn't want any man. I want to be single. But God have a plan. So if I ever married where you're married to me, may I stand by you, we are built together through thick and thin. For better or for worse. In sickness or in health. And I move on a dirty blood clot and they expect me for run with you. I never that run. Me that stand up for my marriage and my husband and myself. Because I don't know what me got through. Me and him know. No, 8 years I mix up. The 8th of September yesterday is the first time we went and he bought me the June plum. When he went and do it, I love to do a bit of business what I want to say. That's me. Love is lovely, my dear. I mean, I get up love not what is not mine. It's my husband. Everybody have them ups and downs in it. What you know want me if I feel bad? Go ahead, me don't business, shame and come back again. That's what do it. I have a thought gets me do it, idiot. Do we after the pledge? What we make for the beach, do we? And you say I'm gonna stand up for the 2 door run. Do we? I'll fight for you, baby, but you have to help me fight. Oh, it's my husband. I don't know what your husband. How the fuck? I don't know what your husband. I am a fucking wife. So me, if you deny my name, I'm telling you the trick of this. When I be sarcastic. Wipe off your mouth. Thank you. I think the leave. It's all right. And I be sarcastic. So no one trick my old brains for me say, no Queenie in a word. I am the greatest fucking queen on God's earth. Me. You see when I put up on this Alania, none of blood clot and none of the guts and the strength. My hot girl. She may just put in a rubbish heap and I eat that. Hey, them death, it's her husband. That's somebody said the husband are flying on my head, and then somebody said the marriage. But whatever fly in my head, it's supposed to fly on my head because it's mine. You understand me? Hey, I'm telling you something. What that time I don't want to do, I just low do me. Don't let me say, Queenie, I idiot. Oh, you know what, the man? You, God, that's why God give you that, man. Because God know you, Queenie, have the strength and the power to stand up and looking at them blood clots. Yes, I say, yes, the man diss me. The man do me this, the man do me that, but still I fight for the man. I found with that shame and give up on the man. I'm not doing that, girl. I'm going to find one new man where you think I'm going to do me something else. I'm going to scream. I'm going to go walla. I'm going to tell them to leave me and my husband. I don't want to shame. Do we understand him in a stunt? Do you understand him on a play? Any blood clotting or anything, I'm my husband see me, girl. You understand? Nice, see? Whatever is to be fucking stupid asshole. If he wasn't to be in my life, he wouldn't have been in my life. So if him for left, him for left. But me have to play my part. Fight for what me believe in. You understand? Oh, him no want him. Me want him. Now found a lady the type you say on a walk and tea fuck on a len fuck and a bar of blood clot fuck. You see, this is my fuck forever. Yeah, we're tied in that. A little remember, and a boyfriend, and it's not baby father, and it's not side man, it's husband. That's a title. A lot of you ignore it and try to deny it because you don't appreciate it, because a lot of you are not married. And if you're married, you're not appreciated towards your marriage because the moment something went wrong, you want to prove to your mother, your kids, your colleagues, and whosoever that I am not having this because you done me that, so I'm giving up. So then within months or whenever you get a next partner and the partner gives you something similar, then you might get all one partner who can't even be yours. Him have 19 blood clot, girl, you have 20, I can't believe it. Me not hear so them put you out when I live now, eh? What remember me a queen, So if I get put out, Lord, wait, you know, don't look for my white lip, because I know so not chat me. Why not white? So with me little man in the no can't beat me for my husband. Me have my husband and a fucking jackass. You know how much man and woman live in a house together and wicked and deceiving, them thief them one another money, them take them one another insurance, them do all manner of blood clot evil. Everybody have a part for carry my love. So no sit down to help me carry my word and make life easier. I own a delusional. You think I can't pronounce delusional? You're fucking delusional. Can you want to sit here and tell me because my life is not perfect the way you want my life to be, because you want to watch my life perfectly, and because I give you an unperfect life of mine, you're telling me that I am delusional. Every blood clot relationship tactics. If you're not tactics in a blood clot, it's in a pen and paper. No phone a rob on a blood clot partner in a pen and paper on the sides because you lot are white colored. So you are tactics in white colored. Me tactics with my dirty blood clot mouth with my teeth in a brush and man in a half full of load and disgust. So that's for my blood clot tactics. Licking your blood clot, me I lick you back too. What the fuck you feel like? No shame to who I fucking is. Me's a true hardcore, dirty blood clot Jamaica. We have to fight for survive. And then I'm town school, my guy, you have to bomber clot, turn up like a blood clot warrior for live down a blood clot. Downtown, Tivoli Garden, Rima, all of them blood clot places. This I'm a green and none of blood clot you know, can come to type in on the fake page and tell me nothing about blood clot tactics. It is what it fucking is until it's not what it's fucking not. I am the queen and I fucking reign. No fucking shame to my gaze. Hey, kid, I did that. Put fun and joke aside. Unaffair. Vote for me now. Vote for me and put me on a proper platform. You understand? Go back to Dagger D. He's not here. Dagger. Is it Dagga? Dagger D. He's not on the phone. Talk about the cartoon movie. It's not a cartoon movie. It's a collaboration with me and Maca Diamond. Yeah, it's soon come out. I don't know when Sakarama releases. It's in process, man. When I soon get the preview for say coming out XYZ. Yeah, focus, Queenie, focus. I am focused. Remember everything in our game, and some just can't dare say preach good because you have to face life what it is. You have good element and you have bad element. So regardless I come here in a good element, I still have to prepare for the bad element. Because when the pastor is in the church and it's good element in it, you go to church, you get that blessing from the pastor, but pastor still have to dig a pussy clot. Where my name and say, Satan, I rebuke you and I send you back to the Satan. Them upon this, I see him kind of offending, you know. Me are the power of the Almighty and them are Satan. So I'm going to get contest. I'm going to always test me. So I am focused. But me not fool myself and say it's just the positive me I go catch. No, it's everything. That's over. That's how I function in a life. You know why? Me second for every. Oh God, the girl ready for come live with me. I wish your name. Why I want Queenie? Put the link and which link? For vote? Don't mind me. Me just attack. Me not have no link or no plan. Me just have the freestyle. No, me just have to literally speaking the way. Me so motivated. Me so positive. Me so everything. Me just not give a fuck. Me just want to send the message where God said, Queenie, go live and be yourself. So I'm saying the fact that I'm like that, I don't abuse me so often, put me on a platform and get that fucking power out of me. That talent. I have enough talent, you know. I'm so talented, it's unbelievable. You understand me? My nice, loving character, my personality. I'm just saying for argument's sake, send out something good in the universe. We don't have no plans, you know. Me not have no plans. Just I tell her they say what I like for about nice. Me not get no pay for that, so I just feel freestyle, my freestyle. You understand me? And it take a lot of energy, but I just this is my spirit there. You understand me? Yeah, so if my spirit there, I just this so all of me know and I gotta drag my pussy tongue and queel it out like bomber clock, cheese tricks. But still I come because it's my platform. You understand? And then me hear somebody say something about roots. You see a lot of people don't remember them roots. Like when you're there in Jamaica, you play marble, you take the grass, the dolly. Them little things that when me teach a lot of way because I don't remember all them little something. I don't know teaching a little pin of them. I know me I get Grammy. Me not care no me I get something great. What? So do it here? Oh no. You see, devotional time. You see, Queenie get grammar for your head. You know me not black in Jamaica. Why you say so? I get yes, me take the grammar. You know never see me put the yamp on my head when me down a liquor store. Oh, no. Hello, Della Fisher. Which one is to do with that side? I said, do I come and may I blush? Them not have to fight for what is my one. Them could have worked so hard after they tell me so I could have bring my husband come here. My husband slide power and silver suitcase and go to him for free just. When I just get him such him come go and look a cock him for fuck out to no dirty blood clot. I mean him laugh after and it burn me, you know, but what can I do? A man is just a fucking man. The whole time man them do the same thing. You know when it hot, if me they give me, and then we go and single again, and then I forgot mingle with someone who got treat me and tell me beer blood. The whole of that line and go and leave me and my husband, the whole dirty man. You know how much money in my phone? I'm afraid of the other. Let me stick to the evil. Me know if morning. Is it Uno? Oh, Uno no. Oh, Uno know my face expression. I want to just read my face. Morning, Papi. All of them do the same thing for true, but you don't know, girl. Typical human being. Always on the play that all is right and well and perfect and bright. Morning. Hallelujah.
Starting route to 27H at
Hallelujah.
Proceed to Oxford Gardens. Then turn left.
Thank you, Jesus. Morning, fluffy clocks. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. I'm so glad. Why do constantly have to be a blush? I'm always smiling though, but I'm not always a blush. He make me a blush. Me's just like a big child, isn't it? Hey, Super Rye morning. Tell Clover I send my love. No, yes, it's morning devotion. Positive vibes, good vibes. Forget uplifting day, you know. There is so much things can happen in 1 minute. So at the minute just make she must wait for him. Let me just come talk to me. Morning, morning, morning. Fluffy Shams. Shauna, okay, I'll tell dude that you said hi. Yeah. Ha! Hey, guess what sweet get a big laugh there. The rubbish truck. Oh my god. We feel good when we look at that truck, you see? Yeah man, exercise. Yeah man, bless up my husband Joe from thank you every time. I mean, stand up for my husband. I don't give a fuck. All I don't do no black man not chat to me because I stand up for my husband. You understand? I don't go. You think I sell out my husband for no? No time. The business, you know? I make you look in my eye. Take off the eyeglass, wipe out the matter. Look. Me look like me business, no. My husband is my family and a part of me. Without you, there is no us. That's our blood pledge. I am not giving up my husband, and I'm not gonna let you not boots me fit on against my nice, cute husband. Oh, no, if you know the news, I'm cuteness. I mean, Goya, think you can't treat my money. Grandma, Queenie, to my royal grandbaby. Grandma, Queenie, children. Let's go. Oh God, Queen Elizabeth gone. I lie, your business about me, Nikki. Why you lying for? But with your business. I lied, Nikki, you do business. Why you lying for? If you did not business, Nikki, you would right about your business about it. Yes, Nikki. Okay. Put on back the ring? No, me no want back the ring. Me I buy new ring. Me not telling you from long time. So me I get new ring and get a pastor to bless over about my ring. Yeah, me no want put on back the ring star. Cause it's the fact that I take it off and vex with the ring dash of the pussy clot ring. But I want a new ring. Yeah? Yeah, life goes on, baby. Queen Elizabeth. Don't say anything wrong about the Queen. Make her soul rest in peace, yeah? Yeah, don't say anything naughty. Hey, people will beat on the feet Queen now. Why am I buying the ring? Camille. You want to donate me one charity ring? Then I'm not going to write say me get handout. Or you want me get piece of iron and put on my finger then. So when I forget ring from, you ask why may I buy a new ring? Because that's what I want to do. I want to get a brand new ring. That was just a little token of appreciation for get married, but it wasn't a proper, more one proper rich queen expensive ring. You understand now? Yeah. I buy one dear ring. That was a cheap ring. Yeah, but true, me not care. I'm still married. And when me done married, mama said, I'm going to buy you one nice ring. So all that my mother put it on my head. Me come in no say you don't like that ring there, but you just take it. It's true. It's a quick thing, quick and fast. Married more or married girl. Me not busy about ring. You understand? Who I buy the ring? My husband. And that you know what here? Then I must him I buy it. Me I buy him fame ring and him buy me my ring. Ha ha ha. Ha ha yeah. Him have to buy me my I'm a matter of fact to them I go look for our ring too. Cause for when me say buy your own ring. But I can't tell the man what to do it. I didn't understand that business with me. Jamaica have painful history because of British. No Jamaican should be wishing tears of defending the British. Or oh, should I thought that when the woman alive, move on a dirty blood clot, I saw the tear down my daughter, come kiss out the darkest part of me and the queen were dead and go and left the woman. When should I write her right up to her when she's alive to defend herself? Go! I saw no love live on dead people name. Dead man tell no fucking tears. Respect to the queen. What you mean by if she the thief Jamaica land, she's supposed to fucking thief it. Anything she do, she's supposed to fucking do it because she's a human. Go and left the woman alone. But she not stand up for the two thief and disgusting down there. That's why she bomber clot. Whatever she do. Left the woman. She serve her purpose. Why you never chat her when she's alive? I saw no chat Rachel on a dirty drunk on her. When you want tear dead meat. Go! Lord God, me hear them say, fucking a nine. To God be the glory. Long live the queen. Why you never chat her and go sign up with the man with the Jamaica where I run up like blood clot idiot? I said this, I said that. No, the woman gonna know what drug and you allow the woman. She's a leader, and whatever it takes to be a leader, you have to be fucking unkind as well. You hear that? In life, you have to be after when you put her, you don't give a fuck shoes. And fuck up on a dirty blood clot. For real. So sometimes see we like come here for class on a dirty blood clot and be awful to no. Forget back my strength for focus. So whatever I should do, me not there for judge her, me never there for give my condolence. Left the woman alone. From a day Jamaica me hear about Queen Elizabeth. I'm a lover just to be Queen Elizabeth. I don't care to give me a night blood clot water. She met me there come. Used to tell them some born in England when me there at Jamaica come. Auntie them we down in Leicester. Used to send the whole heap of England clothes them come give me. I'm fascinated with England. Never know me go come here come turn queen. Go and left the woman alone. Fucking rude but not right against the woman. I don't like that. You understand me? If you don't want to say anything, shut your fucking mouth, man. Come on. That's the queen, fam. She's not supposed to run because she can't type and tell her what to do. Remember saying them the people kill all them blood clot families, them the things that them not for doing. So who know? If them come and rule a country, they are the ruler. Only little pagan can't tell her to rule our country. Leave the woman. The woman's soul don't even reach 3 days that you come type. Don't come type nothing upon my son, man. I rebuke that. You understand me? Don't do that, man. Me not like that, man. I'm not too conniving to no one. Dirty self and some man a murderer and who be a work and win it. You know, do some blood clot wicked things on the run come at type. Some man take all my name, put in a ras parchment paper. I throw my cussy and turbo. Move on the dirty iniquity pussy wall and I come chat man. Leave the woman. I said, when you my son, I chat my daughter. Oh, God, dear, no man. Come on, make the death threats in peace. If it's even that respect. And that's how society is. When it's so fucking unreal that when we sit here and class a dead person. Look into that. What interest of art is that? The person is not even here to say, okay, I can repent. I will forgive you. I can nothing. Leave the woman alone, man. The woman is a great woman. When you see the woman in her wig, and she stays so, and you see her up in her little hat, and her gloves, and her little handbag, if it's even that, respect the queen. We're born come here about kings and queens. They are royals. So whether you like them, yes or no, look on Princess Diana. The man, the Princess Diana, are mad over, in love with them, wouldn't give him fucking status in British citizenship. And that's a rich man from the Middle East. They do what they want to do. They're royalty. It's not for you to come and discuss the lady, I don't like that. Come on, man. Do better than that, man. I saw the fucking sad. Wake up, man. Come on, man. Come on. Oh, God, man. Come on. Look on that down at Jamaica. I don't get so much in handout down there. On a lazy and conniving, and just want fucking sweets. And class, somebody when them they are friend and watch and say, you know what somebody said to me on the live yesterday? It's a relationship coming like when you left Jamaica and got foreign. Can you expect the best? Can you think money spent on the ground, yeah? That's a relationship, but when you're going out, you say, oh, you think it, you have to cross the path. You say, because I'm going to lose, I'm